How transactions work. 1. Initiation. You decide to send Bitcoin to someone and enter their public address into your wallet. 2. Verification. Your wallet creates a transaction message and signs it with your private key, proving it's authorized by you. 3. Broadcasting. The transaction is broadcasted to the Bitcoin network. 4. Mining and confirmation. Miners include your transaction in the next block of the blockchain. Once added, it's considered confirmed. 5. Completion. The recipient's wallet acknowledges the incoming Bitcoin. Security measures. 1. Digital signatures. Your private key creates a digital signature, ensuring transactions can't be altered or forged. 2. Transaction fees. Small fees incentivize miners to prioritize your transaction, ensuring timely confirmations. 3. Anonymity. While transactions are public, they don't contain personal information unless you choose to share it.